Join us for our free event, Insights on Demand, from the 18th to the 20th of May.
You'll discover lots of easy to implement ideas for your teaching based on ELT research.
We have an exciting programme of new sessions that you can watch along with us as they premiere.
You'll be able to interact with the speakers, researchers and other teachers in the YouTube and Facebook chat and get answers to your questions from our ELT experts.
With sessions on digital, skills, language and pedagogy, there'll be videos for teachers of every type of learner, from primary and secondary to adult and EAP.
And we know that you're super busy, so we've also created a library of talks, videos and downloads for you to explore in your own time.
This on-demand library includes lots of bite-sized videos that break down current ELT research topics into easy-to-follow ideas for the classroom.
So there's something for everyone, whether you have 5 minutes or 5 hours. We look forward to seeing you between the 18th and the 20th of May, when we'll be bringing ELT research to life.